Hi there. We have two issues in this industry, and let me talk about them briefly. We have 1 hour driving lesson versus 2 hours driving lesson, and we have also solo driving instructors against big driving schools. But let me talk to you about the 1 hour driving lessons against 2 hours driving lessons. We have often inquiries to have only 1 hour driving lessons, but we kindly declining those inquiries. First of all, 1 hour driving lesson doesn't help you at all. If you look at the situation through the lens of the time, in 1 hour, basically you're not able to learn anything at all. You just started to warm up and already gone. If you think about to go to your test center location to practice a little bit the location learning, the tricky places, in 1 hour is impossible, because unless if you live next to the test center, which is rarely happens, but you go to the test center and then you come back in 1 hour and that's it. It is basically good for the driving instructor, but be aware of it is not the right way of doing it, because it should be good for you. For the driving instructor is good because they have 8 candidates. If they have 8 hours per day, 8 candidates, they know that, okay, I have a long run business, because in 1 hour nobody will improve. Then these guys, unfortunately, they will fail, keep failing the driving test. So therefore, think about it. If you can't afford 2 hours, then save a little bit more, and then you can go for a driving lessons when you have 2 hours at least a week. That makes you a good progress, and then you will be able to pass your driving test as soon as possible. So if somebody is offering you only 1 hour driving lesson, I would definitely recommending you don't take that slot, because you're going to wasting your money. Regardless it's cheap or expensive, 1 hour is purely a wasting money. And I'm going to talk to you about the solo driving instructor versus big driving schools in my other video. So keep in touch and let's have a look at the other video. Thank you for watching.